cannot see the whole earth at a time, so it becomes very difficult to know the exact of the earth or heavenly body have some shape. The earth too has a shape. It is very large and is round in shape like a ball shape of the earth. Hundreds of years ago, people believed that was flat like a dish and had equal fall. That is why they never travel too far off its space.